Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 25th, 2013. It's a Friday. That means we're getting ready for the weekend. It's currently 8:30 a.m. And of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Temperatures this morning are, well, chilly. Very, very chilly. I ran out to get the paper this morning and nearly had a shock because it's so cold out. I should know better, of course, but still, you say 35, walk outside, and it feels much colder because you're not used to 35. And that's pretty much what the temperature is right now in central New Jersey. In portions of northwestern New Jersey and over the interior, we have temperatures even colder in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Needless to say, it is cold outside, and it's actually about 10 to 15 degrees below normal to what we should be this time of year. At any rate, it's going to get a little bit warmer by the time we get to this afternoon. We'll have temperatures rebound into the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior and lower to mid 50s everywhere else. Along the coast, look for temperatures around 54, 55, maybe even 56 around Atlantic City. So we'll be cooler than normal, but it won't feel as bad. It'll actually feel rather refreshing outside. As far as any precipitation, there will be none, and the reason why is because you have this area of high pressure that is pretty much dominating the entire eastern United States. This 1032 millibar high is basically controlling the weather from the plains all the way to the east coast, providing scattered cloud cover to clear skies and no signs of any precipitation whatsoever. Even the Great Lakes have shut down a bit as far as any lake effect precipitation, as the winds have shifted more to the west northwest and northwest, which isn't the best flow for lake effect precipitation at this time. Plus, there's a lot of sinking air here that is also suppressing lake effect precipitation as well. All that basically means dry, clear conditions throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for today, tomorrow, and on through this upcoming weekend as this high pressure system shifts from the plains towards the east coast and redevelops once again over the Great Lakes with a weak cold front expected by Saturday night into Sunday with a few passing clouds but no precipitation. So overall, a very quiet, very cool weather pattern in place over the next several days. Taking a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance as it's been performing rather well over the past few days. High pressure in control for today, tomorrow, and for Sunday. Look for temperatures to remain cool, low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s over the Delaware River Valley, and just north and west of your major cities, and upper 30s to lower 40s in the immediate urban areas and along the coast for lows. High temperatures remaining in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast and in your urban locations and in the Delaware River Valley. So pretty much what you get today is what you're going to get also throughout this upcoming weekend. Now on Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a bit of a moderation in the temperatures. And when I say moderation, most locations will be around the mid 50s for highs. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for most locations. Over the interior, again, a little bit cooler, especially getting clear skies with light winds. Those temperatures are going to crash once again into the upper 20s to lower 30s. So again, pretty much rinse and repeat all the way on through Tuesday. Now, Wednesday, we warm up just a little bit as that high pressure system starts to shift off the coast. And when I say warm up, I mean we're basically in the mid to upper 50s for highs along the coast, low to mid 50s over the interior. Our low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s throughout much of the region, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Now, for Halloween, very interesting weather pattern setting up. We have a very strong area of low pressure over the plains that's going to lift up into the Great Lakes. Ahead of that low pressure system, this high pressure system will, of course, shift off the coast. Location is everything. If you buy the GFS model guidance, this high pressure system is centered here, which means a strong southwesterly flow, which means we get into the mid 60s. However, I think this high pressure system, based on the way the 500 millibar pattern is setting up, will shift more towards the basically the Canadian Maritimes and Gulf of Maine, somewhere in this location here. So as a result, I think we remain pretty much near normal for Halloween in terms of temperatures. Upper 50s, lower 60s, pretty much where we should be for this time of year. So as far as, preparing to wear your ghouls and goblins out there, wear your little costume, it's not going to be bad. Just have a jacket with you, especially as you get into the evening hours. As far as any precipitation concerns, I think right now much of that precipitation holds off with plenty of dry air right along the coast. Look for increasing clouds, but I think again the precipitation remains back towards the Great Lakes and away from the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. I'll keep an eye on this little disturbance, this strong storm here, to make sure it remains away from Halloween. Because quite frankly, after the past couple of years, we could use a nice, tranquil, quiet Halloween. Let's see, last year we had Sandy, the year before we had an ice storm. So yeah, it'd be nice to have a nice Halloween without any type of crazy weather, which I think we deserve. So after Halloween passes through, this low pressure system will lift up into the Great Lakes. A cold front will move through. So Friday, November 1st, look for warm temperatures and showers and possibly even a few thunderstorms before we fall back to below normal temperatures once again for the first weekend of November. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. If I missed anything else, I don't think so. Well, have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.